Hi, I'm Dr. Abdelhakim El-Gheriani, consultant orthodontist and diplomate in the American Board of Orthodontics, and I highly recommend the Vilafortuny Aesthetic Privilege Program. This program comes with a very intensive didactic component with a highly detailed manual, which is well illustrated, followed by a full day hands-on training where you get to practice and place what you learned in the didactic portion on patients. For me, it was a very incredible experience. I got to be able to apply the methods and the procedures that I learned in this course immediately in my practice to the benefit of my patients. And I hope you can attend too.